In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively disconnect your GitHub account from Discord. This process is really simple and can be completed in just a few minutes. Let's walk through it step by step to ensure everything goes smoothly. First things first, let's make sure you're logged into Discord. Start by launching your Discord application either on your desktop or through the web browser. Once you've opened it up, you'll want to navigate to your user settings, which you'll find by looking for that familiar gear icon. It's usually located near your username and avatar icon on the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. Clicking that will bring you to the main settings page where we'll take our next steps. Now from the user settings menu, you're going to look for the section labeled Connections. This section is where all of the accounts you've linked to Discord will be displayed. When you click on Connections, a new page should open up displaying all of the third-party accounts you have connected. If you have GitHub linked, it will show up here along with any other integrations you may have set up, like Spotify or Xbox. If you've connected your GitHub account previously, it should appear on this list. To disconnect GitHub, simply locate the linked GitHub account among your connections. Alongside the logo, there will be information indicating it's your GitHub account. To the right of the GitHub logo, you'll notice an X button. Clicking this will allow you to disconnect GitHub from your Discord account. A confirmation message might appear asking if you are sure you want to disconnect. This is just a safety feature to ensure that nothing is removed unintentionally. If you're sure and ready to go ahead with the disconnection, simply confirm your choice. This will immediately remove the connection between GitHub and Discord. And there you have it. You're officially done with disconnecting GitHub from your Discord account. With this, you can be assured that no further integrations between the two services will exist. You can always reconnect it later if needed by following the procedures for linking a new account. It's as easy to reconnect as it is to disconnect. I hope this guide was helpful and made your process quick and easy. Feel free to explore other settings and connections to customize your Discord experience even further. Remember, managing your integrations can really personalize and streamline how you use Discord. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, or leave a comment for more helpful guides like this one. Have a great day, and see you in the next tutorial.